How to use turmeric for weight loss. Are you tired of trying every diet and supplement out there with little to no results? What if the key to jump-starting your weight loss journey was hiding in your spice rack all along? That's right. We're talking about turmeric. This vibrant golden spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. But did you know it may also help you burn fat, improve metabolism, and support your overall wellness? In today's video, we'll explore exactly how to use turmeric for weight loss, including the best ways to take it, what combinations are most effective, and how it can naturally support your fitness goals. Stay with us to the end for a full turmeric weight loss routine you can start today. 1. Drink turmeric tea daily. One of the simplest and most effective ways to use turmeric is by making turmeric tea. Drinking this warm, soothing beverage first thing in the morning can help cleanse your system, stimulate digestion, and give your metabolism a healthy kickstart. To make it, boil a cup of water and add half a teaspoon of organic turmeric powder. For better results, add a pinch of black pepper. This improves the absorption of curcumin, the main compound in turmeric. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to aid fat metabolism and a bit of honey for taste and antioxidant support. This drink works as a natural detox, reduces bloating, and curbs cravings, especially when consumed consistently. 2. Add turmeric to your smoothies. Want to power up your breakfast or post-workout snack? Add turmeric to your smoothie. Just half a teaspoon can make a big difference. Turmeric pairs well with fruits like bananas and mangoes, and greens like spinach and kale. Blend it with coconut milk, ginger, a touch of cinnamon, and don't forget black pepper again for optimal absorption. This is a great way to create a fat-fighting, anti-inflammatory smoothie that tastes amazing and keeps you full longer, helping you avoid those unhealthy mid-morning snacks. 3. Make golden milk before bed. Golden milk is not just trendy. It's a wellness tradition backed by centuries of use. This comforting drink combines turmeric with plant-based milk and warming spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. To make it, heat a cup of almond, oat, or coconut milk. Stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, a dash of cinnamon, and a bit of raw honey. Not only does this promote restful sleep, a key part of any weight loss plan, it also helps reduce late-night cravings. Drinking golden milk at night can help regulate blood sugar and support a calm, relaxed body, allowing you to wake up energized and ready to make healthier choices. 4. Cook with turmeric regularly. Turmeric isn't just for drinks. You can easily incorporate it into your meals too. It adds a warm, earthy flavor and brings powerful benefits to your dishes. Add it to soups, stews, roasted vegetables, rice, quinoa, eggs, and even salad dressings. When cooked with a healthy fat like olive oil or coconut oil, turmeric becomes more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and use it more efficiently. This small but powerful addition can turn everyday meals into weight loss-friendly options, supporting digestion and keeping inflammation at bay. 5. Consider turmeric supplements, but wisely. If you're not a fan of the flavor or you're not getting enough turmeric through food, you might consider a high-quality turmeric or curcumin supplement. Look for one that contains piperine black pepper extract, as it boosts absorption significantly. But be careful. Always consult your doctor before starting any supplement, especially if you're on medication or have health conditions. Supplements can be effective, but they should complement, not replace, a balanced diet and active lifestyle. 6. Pair turmeric with exercise and healthy eating. Let's be clear, turmeric is not a miracle fat burner. It supports weight loss when combined with other healthy habits. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce joint pain and muscle soreness, which can keep you consistent with workouts. It also supports metabolic health making it easier to process carbs and sugars efficiently. 7. Take a daily turmeric shot. If you're short on time but want maximum benefit, turmeric shots are the way to go. These small, fiery drinks pack a punch and are a favorite among health enthusiasts for their powerful anti-inflammatory and metabolism-boosting effects. To make a turmeric shot at home, combine 1 to 2 teaspoons of freshly grated turmeric, or 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, juice of 1 lemon, a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, 1/2 teaspoon of grated ginger for added thermogenic fat-burning support. Optional, a teaspoon of raw honey for sweetness and antioxidants. Optional, a dash of cayenne pepper to further boost metabolism. Blend or shake well and take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This quick shot can help kickstart digestion, energize your metabolism, reduce bloating, and even suppress appetite. You can batch prep several servings and store them in the fridge for up to 3 days. Just shake before drinking. So, don't rely on turmeric alone. Make sure to follow a balanced diet rich in whole foods, drink plenty of water, move your body regularly, and get adequate rest. When combined, these habits, supported by turmeric, can create powerful, lasting change. If you found this helpful, if you learned something new today, or feel inspired to give turmeric a try, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who's on their weight loss journey. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips, nutrition secrets, and wellness wisdom delivered every week.